Hello and welcome to yet another tutorial for JD Builder. In this build video, we'll look at adding a separator element to your JD Builder page. Let's go ahead and add one real quick. You can create a new element by clicking the plus sign. We'll do that and then select separator from here. So by default, you have a separator that's black in color and kind of 90% white. We'll look at all these settings one by one. The admin label is how you identify any element in the backend. So we'll call it separator, just so it's easier for identification. You have a few different styles here. So you can do none, where it's just a solid line, where it's actually nothing, or you can select from any of these styles where you have the dotted, where you have a dotted line, or you can do dashed, where you have a dashed line. We'll go with solid for this case, where we have a solid line, and you can change the color. The default is black, but you can change the color as well. So we'll change the color to kind of this red color, very bright red. And you can change the alignment as well. The alignment only matters if the width is less than 100%, or else you won't be able to see it. So let's change the width to 40%, 50%, and then we'll align it left. So you'll see what happens is you'll be able to notice that it's towards the left of the page rather than being in the center or the right. You can increase the depth of the separator, the height as well. So let's change it to 6 pixels. See what that looks like. And there you go. And for this kind of depth, you can select double. It will look really good, and center align it. And with this responsive controls, you are able to select, okay, so for desktop, you want to have it center aligned, but on tablet, you want to have it left aligned. And on mobile, you again want to have it center aligned. So you're able to do that very easily with these responsive controls, that lets you select. So wherever you see this icon, this is for responsive controls. You can select different settings for these devices, and they would reflect the same when accessing the website through the specific device size. And the gap, this is the last setting. So this is a space between above and below the separators. Right now we have this is more like padding. So right now you have 10 pixels of space above and below the separator. Let's change that to 25. And you can see you'll have 25 pixels of space above and below. But let's say on mobile or tablet, you only want to have 10 pixels of space or 2 pixels of space, which is next to nothing, And on mobile, again, you want to have only 1 pixel of space. All right, and you can see, so this is what we have on desktop, and this is what we have on tablet, desktop, and then mobile, and that looks really good. And that's how you create a separator in JD Builder. Thanks for watching.